Hi all, good morning. Happy Dasara to all of you. Hope you enjoyed your vacation and holidays, right? So it's been a while. I could not take any session or webinar. So there were so many requests to summarize on the latest version and give a video, right? So today I took some time to do that. Let me quickly jump onto that. In this session, I would briefly go through like each and every aspect of the system, and probably someone who look at this video should get the complete comprehensive idea of the like overall system, right? So let me quickly jump. So this is a plain Bank Nifty chart, right? What I'll do, I'll just go to indicator. So if somebody is subscribed, they will find the script in invite only. But for now, I'm I'm adding the script from the my bucket, right? Sorry. So once you add the script, this is how it will look. So as I wanted to make it like simple, like finally, like from all those three dot systems, we have reduced it to just buy and sell signals, right? Nothing else on the chart. If you see on the default screen, you'll have buy, sell, and the trend strength line, right? These are the only things you will see. For any trader, it's just like where to buy, where to sell, where is your stop loss, right? That's what is the notation. Whenever you see a buy, you should buy. Whenever you see a sell, you should sell. And the stop loss for a buy is the trend strength. If the candle is closing below trend strength line, this is the trend strength line. If it's a sell order, candle closing above trend strength line will be your stop loss, right? So this is how it will look. That system is that simple. Okay, so let me quickly go through the configuration. First thing is range track. Range track is our proprietary like calculation, which gives like huge information on the support, resistance, and the range that the big guys have planned for the day, right? So whenever you enable that range track, you will see like four track. Somebody will say it as kind of like railway track. For us, it is a range track, and which definitely will tell you what is the range that these guys are planning for the day, right? So just keenly observe this. Whenever price goes to these levels, this will absolutely give a resistance or some reaction, right? The price started here, it went here, there was a reaction. This acted as a resistance. It came back to the mean, right? Same thing. Whenever price goes near this line, it acts as a beautiful resistance. So whenever this price closes above this one, it starts like trading above it. Once this starts trading above it, I think you can expect some good up move. You can see in the like many of the examples. So beautiful example was the last day's example. I think see here, this was so beautiful. Price opened here, went, took a resistance, took a resistance, took a resistance. Once it broke here, it absolutely like made away almost like 600 points from the range, right? So that's what is the range track for you. Basically, this different determines the range for the day. Whenever the range is broken, you see a very good up move, and this will act as a very good support and resistance. So whenever you see a first candle closes for the day, you start seeing these lines, and you can rely very much on this for your intraday supports as well as the resistance. If the range is like a huge, you can, if you see here, right, it's a very big range. It is like very difficult to like break, and you can expect a range bound day for this. Whenever the range is like small, there is a possibility of range breaking is more, and you can expect a upside or a downside on these kind of like days, right? So I'll just go through backwards and show you these examples. This is one of our like the best used indicator. Yeah, see here. So small range. Then if you see completely it acted as a support in this case. Same thing. It acted almost like a resistance here. It's a very small range day. See, beauty is like whenever next day, as the candle closes, you know these levels, right? So when you have this one, either you can, once the price breaks above these upper line or the lower line, you can expect a huge movement, huge downwards or upward movement. Otherwise, they will try to like close the day, like just eroding your option premium and eat it, right? Same thing for the next day also. It acted as a resistance, resistance, resistance. Then it came back. So in this day also it was within. See, this is a beautiful day, complete sideways day and beautifully acting as a resistance, right? So that is the beauty of this indicator, and it's a huge indicator, I would say. It will give like very precise levels for the resistance as well as the support. Once this guy starts breaking above, you can expect some good moves above the range track. That is the range track for you. You can check it for like all other scripts. This will give like very beautiful information, right? That is range track. Next one is previous day high and day low. Sorry guys. So these are also like very important level for any intraday players. So whenever price closes above previous day high, you can expect some good moves. And those basically will act as a support and resistance for the intraday. This I think you will get anywhere. This is just for your information. I have added in the system. See here beautifully, it has taken the support. That was previous day high and low. The third thing is a multi-time frame trend. So this will tell you what is the trend on the different time frames, right? So you can see like these boxes on a 3-minute time frame, what is the trend? On a 5 minutes time frame, what is the trend? 15 minutes, what is the trend? And 60 minutes and 1 day. So once all these guys comes in confluence, you can expect a very good movements either on the in the direction of like as the green is more, you can see a trend. As if all these are like red in color, you can see a good downtrend. If you see a silver or white color, it indicates basically on a 1 day time frame, this is still not like ranging, but on all other time frame, this guy is like trending very good on the upper side. So basically, if you're a intraday trader and if you see all these things are in line, you can expect you should be going on a buy side only. This will help you to be on the right side of the trend than going into the opposite trend, right? That is the range, uh, multi time frame trend for you. Next things are like VWAP, Supertrend, Bollinger Band. I think these everybody knows, and these are for your information I have added. So this is another one, RSI for different time frames, which you can see here. If you are on a 3-minute time frame, first whatever is shown is a 3-minute RSI, then the 15 minutes RSI, and then the 60 minutes RSI, right? So basically three time frames. Chart time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 60 minutes time frame RSI. You can just have running on top always on the time, right? So that is other thing. Next thing, like in a recent version, I have added this market commentary, right? Market commentary. This is like a huge addition for our system. whenever you enable here, it will show like what is the current state of market, right? It will show current state of market. First thing it will show is whether the trend is bullish or bearish. And second thing, on bullish, what is the like second level of confirmation, whether it's just entering. Let me quickly pull this thing for you. Okay, so these are the different commentaries you can get in these states. One is zone entry, right? So bullish, if it is a sideways, from sideways, if it's going to a bullish zone, first thing will be shown is bullish zone entry. It is entering a bullish zone. And if it starts like trending upwards, it will show like it is breaking out, right? It's an entry, then it starts like breaking out, then there will be a super bullish phase, and then ultra bullish. So here almost like it is it's something like this would be a ultra bullish. So here you will see a dip, you will want to like wait for a dip to buy, right? Then if there is a sideways movement in this ultra bullish move, something like this, you will see a bullish consolidation, right? Basically they're little bit like pulled back, and they're just consolidating to take it up again. So that will be a bullish consolidation. And sometimes what you will see, like you start seeing price closing below our trend strength. Trend strength is our absolute indicator to help you ride the trend, as well as to be cautious when the trend will get reversed, right? So on this kind of thing, if it starts like price starts closing below our trend strength, it's a caution for us to be exiting our positions, or to be cautious, right? So basically a profit booking might start happening if you see this thing, right? So basically these are the different market commentary status you will get on a bullish side, right? Something similar you will get on the bearish side. It's a zone, bearish zone entry, and if it starts like breaking down, you can see bearish breakdown, super bearish, ultra bearish. If you see like even like small rise also, like you can go for a sell. And bearish consolidation, they will consolidate on the bearish side. Basically they will wait for a little bit of price high so they can again short it, right? Then caution for a bearish side, where they might start like buying, and buying from the lower level to take it high. So that's what is the market commentary you will get. Okay, this will be like running throughout. This will definitely like help you guys to be on the right side of the trend and to take the trade decisions, right? So that is the enhancement or the addition in the version 5, right? So next thing is, I don't know, like if you, how many of you guys were trading like last week or last 3-4 days. The market, especially like bank nifty, was like very tightly like managed, right? When you go for a buy, they will just reverse. When you go for a sell, they will just reverse to like other side, right? So I have brought in this a checkbox, where if you select this one, it will not show you trades if the market is ranging, right? Avoid signals on a range bound market, right? When you enable it, it will not show any of the trade signals if the market is range bound, right? So when market is range bound, you will see here, what you will see here is, this is what you will see. Market is range bound, please wait, right? Something like this, right? If you see this phase of market, definitely you should see a status called market is range bound, please wait, don't go for a trade. It will be your market commentary status, right? So if you remove this one, you will you might be seeing like a lot of buy entries, sell entries and all. But if you enable this one, those things will be like vanished. Basically, it will not give you any of the signals if the market is range bound, right? So in that case, per day, you will see like very minimal entries or exits, right? So if you see for the last day, buy entry came only on the first candle. Later to that, there was no like exit at all. So first candle was the buy, post that there is no exit, like completely it is uh, with respect to this system, it is complete like whatever points Bank Nifty moved for the day, you would have like got, right? That's how the thing will be. So then how do you like trade? Let's say you, okay. So it can have a signal previous day, and when the next day it opens, there might not be any signals at all, right? When you enable this option, don't expect it will give immediate signals and all, right? It will give a signal whenever the conditions are met, and you just need to like learn how to trade these things, right? So how do you trade the whenever you enable this, right? This is how we need to trade. Let me show you how. Okay, so basically avoid signals if the market is range bound. Whenever market is range bound, it will show you that message, right? Market is range bound, please wait, right? Don't trade during that time. So whenever you enable this, how do you trade in intraday is your question, right? The answer is, if something, let's say you entered here, let's say this guy is not there, right? This was there on the previous day. Let me take you to some, okay. So this is a perfect example here, right? So previous day was a buy signal generated at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Next day market opened, but there is no signal at all to buy, right? What you should be doing in this scenario is, you just need to check like what was the earlier trade signal, right? That is buy. So all your trade entries should be towards the buying, right? All your views or trade entries should be towards the buying. So when do you buy, right? First condition is the price should be like closed, should be closing above our trend strength line, the first condition, right? The second condition is the status, market status should be any one of market commentary should be any one of the buying message, right? Zone entry, breaking out, super, any of these message should be there on the market commentary, right? And it should not have this thing. Market commentary should not be market is in range bound, right? It should be having the buy messages, and it should not have market is in range bound message. That's when you should be going for a buy. Did you get the like concept? You just need to see the previous signals message. If it was a buy, then your view should be on the buying side always, right? And that is the first thing. Second thing is market commentary should be giving a buy messages, buying status messages, rather than it's in a sideways message, right? That is the second thing. It should be any of the bullish message. That's what I mentioned. So these three things should be met to go for a buy signal, right? So where is your SL? SL is immediate. Your always SL is always your trend strength line, right? So that's how you need to take a buy entry. Same thing with respect to like sell entry. If a previous day's message or the signal was sell, right? So you just need to look for the sell entries than going for the opposite trend, that is buying side, right? Sell entry candle should be closing below trend strength, first condition. Second condition, market commentary should not be market is in range bound. Please wait. It should not be in this condition. Third condition is it should be of any of the bearish message, right? Any of these it should have in the market commentary. Then only you can go for a sell trade, right? Hopefully that was clarified, like when to buy and when to sell when you enable the avoid signals on a range bound market, right? So that was, these are the two additions which have been like brought in this version, and definitely this will help a very lot for you guys. So this is market commentary is something like some guidance, like always you will be like getting this message above your screen, so you can act accordingly. So if you disable here, like you will have normal like entries. So there will be like a lot of entries, exits. So fine if you are comfortable like doing this. So this even though there might be like some 3-4 stop loss here, but all 3-4 stop loss, if you see like this one trade should have like taken all these stop loss out and with a huge profit, right? If you don't want to do that one, just go for like avoid signals on a range bound market and you will see this. So here is your entry, and until until like you get uh, okay, exits for this also, like this one, what is this, closing below trend strength. uh, yeah, so the re-entries will be if there is a close above trend strength line, again you can get onto something like that. You can play for your intraday trades, right? So these are the two additions, and definitely I feel this should be helping a huge on taking a trade for you. So these are two big things which I have added for the release version 5.0, right? So these things will be like same. This will show like where is the entry and where is the exit. Yeah, entry and exit and stop loss as it was showing earlier. This will show it as a line. So this is where you should have entered your long trade, right? Red line is a stop loss, yellow is an entry, and green is the exit. In this case, I think it's a Bank Nifty spot, so it is not showing profit. So basically profit is I'm giving like very reasonable 1.5 risk reward profit, but that is for the like system. You can trail once you attain your profit. From my side, it's a profitable trade for the day. Based on your profit appetite or your these things, you can keep on like trailing. Definitely this will help. The strength will help you to like trail your profit completely. See the beauty here, the trend strength line, once it broke, never touched. It touched here. Even here, it did not close below. So entire rally you could have like trailed here on this day. This was a beautiful day for Bank Nifty last Thursday, right? So that was the summary of the updates. Let me quickly show you something interesting. Probably many of you guys were asking for it, and I'll just go through it. So basically, this is a 3 minutes. I have done some back testing, and I just want to showcase you that thing for you. Okay. Let me add, and this is my, where is the strategy? Okay. So this is the strategy. So basically, like based on the system, right? Now I have selected whenever my system is giving buy and sell, this strategy is executing and it is giving me overall return, right? So basically this is, I'll just explain you this one. So initial capital is 1 lakh, right? So order size, it has taken only one quantity with 1 lakh. Let's say Bank Nifty 39,000, let's say 40,000. So you can go for like two lots. Two lots means like 80,000. Since you have 1 lakh, you can go for 2.5 lakh, 2.5 lots, right? So once you put it, so this is what is your return for the this list of trades. I think it started from February 2021, from this year 2021. So this is how your system has given. This is the 8% on the 3 minutes. 3 minutes, you will have like a lot of entries and exits, right? So basically entry will be here, and in 3 minutes you won't wait till the like next sell signal, right? It's a scalping mindset, and whenever you get a profit, you start trailing and you will be satisfied with the small these things. So if somebody was like completely religiously following a entry, only exiting when it shows yes sell here, then he would have got 8% for his capital. And the profitability will definitely increase as you give it for give it some time. Let's say I'll put 5 minutes. So if somebody is playing with 5 minutes with this system, definitely he would get a he would double his return from 3 minutes. So that would be somewhere around 18% returns. He would got it, right? So I have seen like it is working fantabulously with 15 minutes. Somebody playing with 15 minutes, it is giving like very good returns. So almost like 89% of the net profit it is giving with respect to the same system, exactly the same system, right? So if you increase 15 minutes is the like very good return. As you increase the timing, I think it has been giving like fantastic returns, 97%, almost like doubling your capital for this year. That's how is the back testing result. Let me quickly put it for like Nifty also. So Nifty also, I'm just putting it. So Nifty, it is giving 33% on 1 hour. And if I give 15 minutes, it is giving 28%. If I give 5 minutes, it is giving somewhere around 7%, right? So let me, oh, sorry. For Nifty, I think there is some catch, right? If you have 1 lakh rupees, so Nifty is trading 18,000, right? So you should be, how many lots you can purchase? Let's say it is trading 20,000. So you can go for like, how many? 5 lots, right? You can buy almost 5 lots with 1 lakh rupees. So that is coming around 18% of return on 5 minutes. I think with respect to 15 minutes, definitely it will give a good profitability. That is 71% return for the year from February 2018 till now, right? With 15 minutes. Let's see for 1 hour, I think, yeah, not much of improvement, but yeah, fine. 82% is a huge return. So net profit is 82% with respect to the system. And that too, this is, I'm not calculated the like no signals on the range bound, right? So basically it is giving like very good returns, guys. Like I have tested it thoroughly and it is working fantabulously. Just believe in the system, be disciplined, and just execute it. You should be profitable. There is no doubt. And with the new enhancements, it is very like helpful. And this is just like somebody is sitting next to you and guiding you like throughout the trading session, right? So that's how it is. Let me go to Bank Nifty. I think I did share with you guys. Let me like quickly show you how it behaved on the last day, right? See here. Let me put it this award signal on the range bound market. Okay. Let's start from here, replay, right? How it would have like showed you. So on the previous day, it was showing consolidation. So basically on the bearish side, they are consolidating to sell more is the message here, right? So let me play it here. I think they gave some profit also. Just observe, keep on observing these messages, right? So this is the next day opened, right? If you saw a buy signal here on the very beginning of the candle, so basically just after candle close, you should be going for a buy. Just observe these messages, breaking out. So basically you are on a bullish side till now. Basically during candle formation, these message will be like different. Just wait for the candle close to like get that confirmation. See from here, this point, that is somewhere around 10:18. From 10:18 till where? Let's see, like till okay, till here. That was 11:45. Okay, it did not print that. I think that was still like range bound only. I saw it printed the bullish. Anyway, that bullishness was there and it did give a profit for this trade if it had given. Okay. So market is range bound. So these ones you don't need to like worry to take any trade. Just to be calm and relax. Just observe what is happening. See, somebody is trading throughout this phase here, right? You absolutely would have like lost huge money, right? Just okay. Let's say till here it was market is range bound. Almost from here till here it was completely showing market is range bound. Please wait, right? This is somebody, some guide is sitting next to you and he's telling, boss, please wait, don't even bother to take any trades. That's how it has been showing you. So let's play from here, right? It is still market is range bound, right? Now, okay. So what has happened here? The trend strength from very flat, from the morning, it has been like very flat. Here there was one bullish signal. I think it had shown bullish as well, and it had given profit trade as well, right? From here again, it showed like complete range bound. Then it started showing you super. I think even prior to that, it was a bullish message here. Bullish entry would be there, and then super bullish is there. So this is a beautiful trade opportunity for you, and you should be like going long with this, right? Long, how do you, anyway, this is long from here only. If somebody like have missed this, you should be waiting for this opportunity. Complete day it was a range bound. No need to take any trade. Whenever you see super bullish or anything with respect to bullish status and price is trading above our trend strength, it's a good opportunity to go for long, right? So just observe this message here, breaking out super bullish, consolidation. Consolidation is something like they are consolidating here for like still going up, right? That's how it will be. Super bullish, consolidation. See, dip is to buy, right? So super bullish consolidation. See, can you see this one? That consolidation. Okay, there was one message whenever the price tries to close below this trend strength, there was a cautious message. If it start like closing below, that is a very good exit point, right? That message was there. I don't know if you guys observed or not. Let me quickly go here. Right? Okay, dip is to buy. So here at the top of this candle, there is a message ultra bullish. Market is ultra bullish. Dip. If there is a dip, go for buy. That's what it is telling. Can you see like what has happened next? There was a pullback. The dip was there to buy. And if you see one candle previous to this, there was a message called, okay, let's observe it closely. Consolidation is trend strength is flat. If it is happening here, it is called range bound, right? Because it is no man's land, right? It is just like going up bearish bullish. That's where you are seeing market is range bound. Wait, but whenever there is a range bound at the higher level, it's a consolidation or a pullback, and they're buying here to take it again upside. That's what is the message, consolidating at the bullish side for taking up. If the price starts trading below our trend strength, that is a caution for us to exit. Just keenly observe here, there would be a message, right? There was a message saying candle is kind of like closing. It did not close, but while the price came here, it was showing there, right? You just need to wait for the candle close anyway. So it was giving you a hint that it can turn on the profit booking side. Be cautious. That was the message. So post to that, if you observe again, I think it started moving up and it's breaking out, and again it went higher. Super bullish, right? It was a beautiful day for option buyers. And so this is where we have closed. So that's how this market commentary will help you. This is something like a friend or a mentor or a guide sitting next to you and telling you like what to do, what not to do on every candle, and giving up appropriate messages to guide you, right? I feel this would be a really great addition for your trading decisions, as well as with your uh, uh, this I mean avoid signals on range bound also like is a very good thing. So you can avoid all these things, right? uh, yeah, so this is the summary of the overall system. If you guys have like any queries, please do ping me, and I'll try to like explain you. So now I'm going to publish this to all my subscribers, and this is a gift from me for the Dasara festival. Okay, so enjoy this new updates and keep trading, make profits. All the best for your trading career. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.